you will slink away. So that's the power of close makes a man there. So studio guy, stand up and you can take a round of applause for this. Another thing I liked very much was Vardita of Jute Culture. She's gone. She said one thing which stood out from all of you, and she said, follow me on Facebook. Because whatever we talk, we do, we learn. Trust me, 97% disappears by the time you leave from here. Maybe, okay, if I say 90%, 10% you retain. As time goes, it keeps on just disappearing. So learn to have this question of follow-up, and follow-up is the best way you could, go ahead. One more thing which I could find is, it's a great welcome change that, people are looking at branding. Because there are only two things which matter, in marketing. One is the entire marketing itself and one is branding. And what is branding? Have you ever thought what is a brand? A brand is an idea, is a thought, is a consciousness, and is a value. If I say this is from this brand, what do you expect? You got it? There is a certain quality attached to it. So what is a very welcome fact is that a lot of you are looking at branding. And T. Harv Eker, who's one of the gurus of $1 Million Mind Intensive, he says, if you have to succeed today, there are only two things you need to be in. One, be in a business which you can escalate, grow, scale, make a repeatable model. Two, be on the internet. So what was lacking was, I found a lot of you all are still in your infancy when it comes to coming into, showcasing your products. Love the web, that's the future. Love the apps, that's the future. Love the internet completely, and that will take you to places you cannot dream. You may get a call from Russia, you may get from Kazakhstan, you may get from anywhere. And that's the way business grows, that's the way business scales up. Marketing, yes, we have to learn from the Americans. They can market cola water to us, and we'll forget our ruabzas and our asnas. It's one and the same thing, but we pay 10 times more for that. So invest in branding, because brand will ultimately, you have two things. One is brand and one is marketing. Marketing is a push factor. You push information, you push sales people, you push people to go there and try to, get business. And the other side, you've got a brand. Brand is the pull factor. Invest in your brand, invest in your quality, invest in your reputation, invest in your goodwill. These things will bring both together. When they come together, it's a complete win-win situation. So with that, hats off to you guys. Keep this rocking, and I'm sure I'll be seeing you all again in the Millionaires and Billionaires clubs of the future. All the best.